Hi friends, I'm Carlos. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making sea bass with leeks and lime sauce. I start with the sauce because it's going to take a little longer, about 5 minutes. This is a very lean fish. It only has 3.5% fat. The taste is very delicate and this sauce goes really well with it. So I'm adding about a tablespoon of butter, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a sliced garlic clove. Put it on low heat on the pan. In a bowl, I will add the rind of a lime or a lemon, it doesn't matter, the juice of half a lime for 2 portions, a quarter cup of white wine, and a quarter cup of shellfish broth. I will leave the recipe in the description below for you. Last, 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. That's gonna help thicken the sauce. Mix well and add it to the saucepan. By the way, click on the subscribe button while you are here. The garlic already flavored the oil and the butter, and I will keep an eye on it until it thickens. It's just a few minutes. Meanwhile, in a ramekin, I put minced parsley, a minced garlic clove, and a little olive oil. Mix and set aside. That's my condiment for the sea bass. I have 8 ounces or 227 grams of sea bass. I salt both sides of the fish, and before doing that, I put the pan on medium heat and I heated it for at least 5 minutes. The pan has to be really hot. Now I rub the fish with the adobo and put it on the pan with the skin side up and cook it without moving for 3 minutes. I only put more adobo on top. I don't want to overcook it. Then I turn it over and cook it for 1 more minute. And get the fish out of the pan right away because the fish will continue to cook with its own heat. You don't want to overcook the fish. The sauce is already done. I pass the sauce through a colander because I want a clean and silky sauce. See how pretty it is? Then I add the sea bass on top. I added some broccoli at the beginning, but it looked horrible. Don't you think? It looked terrible on the plate, so I ate the broccoli and I just plated the fish with leeks, and that is on my shorts. I will add a link in the description below about how to make the leeks as well. I have more than 200 videos on my channel, so check them out. I am super happy with the sea bass. It's very tasty and perfectly cooked. It's tender and moist, and the sauce is light and delicate. And super easy to make. As you have noticed, I didn't add any salt because the butter and the fish already have salt. Let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe. I always appreciate your comments. That's all for now, and I will see you in the next video. Chaito, bye bye.